This looks easy, but 90% of people get this wrong. Let's see if you can solve it correctly. First, notice something important. Both the numerator and denominator have the same root, the fourth root. When the roots are the same, we can combine them into a single root. We simplify it as x raised to the power of 7 then over x raised to the power of 5. As both the roots are same, we write this expression into a single fourth root. Now divide the powers, which means we subtract the exponents. Fourth root, and inside this we write as bases are same. So we write x only once, then raised to power of 7 minus 5. We rewrite this expression as fourth root x raised to the power of 7 minus 5 equals to 2. So now the expression becomes the fourth root of x squared. Let's rewrite this in exponent form. X to the power of 2 inside the parentheses and fourth root becomes 1 over 4. Next, we multiply exponential powers and simplify this expression as x raised to the power of 2 multiply 1 over 4. Here, both numerator and denominator are divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 gives us 1 and 4 divided by 2 equals to 2. Now the expression becomes x to the power of 1/2. And x to the power of 1/2 is simply the square root of x. This is the final answer to this expression. Did you get it right? Or did this trick you? Drop your answer in the comments. And get ready for the next one.